My proudest achievement in engineering was when I'm a graduate now in BAE Systems, but before that, during my master's thesis, I wrote a report that got published. So it was to do with creating a new type of heat exchanger basically, and it got put forward for an award with IMechE, and I got that award as well. So I've just finished BAE's graduate scheme. I'm just coming off that into a full-time role now. So I'm looking forward to progressing in that role, becoming a senior engineer, becoming someone with a bit more responsibility, and then hopefully eventually becoming a leader. I think for me it was more just what I was interested in, but since I've been in it I've become inspired by the things that we do. So today we've talked a lot about the STEM events, and getting involved in STEM and inspiring new generations of children to get into engineering has been really rewarding. Something that I never really had when I was a kid. When I was in school I didn't really know exactly what engineering was all about. I just luckily stumbled into it. But as I say, since I've been involved in industry, I've been involved in quite a few STEM events, and it's been really engaging, really rewarding. At the moment it seems like a lot of companies are targeting kids in university, which sometimes is a bit too late, especially for women I think in engineering. So if you're trying to get people into engineering that wouldn't traditionally go into it, trying to get children inspired at a younger age I think would be the way forward. What excites me about engineering today is the diversity of different roles. Just hearing what people are doing today is so different to what I'm doing myself, so it's one of those careers that I think you can go through and not get too bored of. I think if you're thinking of getting into engineering, I would say look at the apprenticeship schemes that are offered these days. You can do a degree apprenticeship, you don't have to do a degree at university if that's not your thing, or if you're worried about the academic side of it, or if you're worried about the financial commitments. There's loads of ways to get into engineering nowadays that are more accessible and just as good, if not better, than traditional university ways. And if you're someone that might be entering these awards, I'd say just go for it.